In India, science-based streams are highly sought after for higher education after schooling. The National Testing Agency, NTA, conducts the joint entrance exam as a screening test for entrance into some of the top science and engineering colleges in the country. In this video, I will elaborate on JEE, the process for attempting it, and the pathways you can take after clearing it. Joint Entrance Exam, or JEE, is conducted in two phases every year: JEE Main and JEE Advanced. JEE Main. The first one is JEE Main. To be eligible for this exam, you need to have taken physics, chemistry and mathematics in your class 12 board exams. Although there are no criteria for minimum marks to give this exam, you may still need to have a score of at least 75% overall to get admission in colleges as per the rules of individual colleges. You are eligible to give JEE up to 2 years after appearing for the class 12 board exams, and during the year you are appearing for board exams. This means you can appear for every attempt of the exam for 3 years. There is no age limit to write this exam. In JEE Main, there are 3 exams, termed Paper 1, Paper 2A and Paper 2B. Paper 1 is for application to the Bachelor of Engineering or Bachelor of Technology programs, Paper 2A for applying to the Bachelor of Architecture and 2B for Bachelor of Planning programs. It is possible to attempt both Paper 1 and Paper 2, Paper 1 without Paper 2 or Paper 2 without Paper 1. In Paper 2, it is possible to attempt either 2A or 2B only or both together. Exam pattern. Paper 1 contains 3 parts: mathematics, physics and chemistry. Every part has equal weightage and is divided into 2 sections. Section A contains 20 multiple choice questions, each having a single correct answer. All 20 can be attempted. Section B contains 10 questions, out of which only 5 can be attempted. These are numeric value questions, meaning you will not be given any options. You must enter your answer as a numeric value in the given tab. Every question in this paper has the same marking scheme: 4 marks for giving the correct answer, 0 marks for not attempting the question and -1 mark for giving the wrong answer. Hence this paper has a total of 90 questions, out of which you can answer 75, with the maximum possible marks of 300. This is a fully computer-based test. Paper 2A is divided into mathematics, aptitude and drawing. The mathematics and aptitude parts are given on the computer, while the drawing question need to be answered on pen and paper. In the mathematics part, there will be a division of 20 MCQ and 10 numerical type questions, and 5 out of the 10 numerical type questions can be attempted. There will be 50 questions for aptitude. All questions in these 2 parts will have the same marking scheme: 4 marks for correct answer, 0 marks for not attempting and -1 mark for wrong answer. The drawing part has 2 questions, each with a weightage of 50 marks and no negative marking. So, this paper has a total of 82 questions, out of which you can answer 77, with the maximum possible marks of 400. In Paper 2B, the mathematics and aptitude parts remain the same as 2A, but instead of the drawing part you need to write a planning part having 25 questions, with 4 marks for correct answer, 0 marks for not attempting and -1 mark for wrong answer. This adds up to a total 105 questions, out of which 100 can be attempted, with the maximum marks as 400. Every paper is 3 hours long, but if you decide to take both papers 2A and 2B, then you have to write it as one exam having the 4 parts: mathematics, aptitude, drawing and planning together, and this combined paper will be 3 hours and 30 minutes long. Schedule. Applications for JEE open in November. In that period, you can choose to attempt the first, second or both sessions of the exam. If you do not choose to write the second session now but change your mind later, you can still register for it as the application window opens again before the second session. But if you choose not to give the first session now itself, then you will not get another chance for it. There are 2 attempts or sessions for JEE Main per year, the first in January and the second in April. In both sessions, you are given a time and day slot to appear for the exam. There may be multiple time slots depending on the number of candidates attempting the exam, with different question sets for each slot. After evaluation of each session, the results are announced in the form of percentile, which is the percentage of people in the same time slot as you who scored less than you in the exam. You can see your percentile for the individual sections of the exam and your overall percentile for the exam. After evaluation for both the session is done, your best score out of the 2 sessions is taken as your final score. You are given a rank based on your percentile. JEE Advanced. After the ranks are released for JEE Main, the candidates having the top 2 lakhs 50,000 ranks will be eligible to appear for JEE Advanced. This exam consists of 2 papers, each for 3 hours, written on the same day. Both are mandatory for consideration into the rank list. Each paper will have 3 parts: physics, chemistry and mathematics. This will also be a computer-based test. There is no fixed pattern for JEE Advanced. The number of questions, format of questions and marking scheme are all different every year. This is done deliberately to maintain a high level of difficulty of the exam. Soon after the JEE Advanced ranks are released, the JOSAA counselling will begin. Joint Seat Allocation Authority of India, JOSAA, is the one responsible for allocation of seats and managing of admissions to the government-funded colleges. In this counselling procedure, candidates are expected to fill in their choice of college and course in order of preference. Over the course of multiple rounds of admission, you will get to know if you have been admitted to a college selected by you. College pathways. Achieving a position in the JEE Advanced rank list is required to apply for admission to any Indian Institute of Technology, or IIT. Engineering degrees in IITs are highly sought after and extremely competitive. The cut-off ranks for all their degrees are very high. There will be no more than one IIT campus in any state or union territory. There are 23 IITs in India as of 2024. The three IITs Kharagpur, Roorkee and Varanasi offer a Bachelor of Architecture degree. In order to apply to this degree, after clearing JEE Advance you need to appear for another exam called the Architecture Aptitude Test, ART. This is a 3-hour-long, offline, pen-paper based test. The next best set of institutes for engineering are considered National Institute of Technology, or NITs. These are also very competitive, but they have more seats than IITs. You do not need to give JEE Advanced for NITs, they take admission based on JEE Main rank only. Like IITs, NITs can also be found only one in any state. There is a home state quota for applicants from the same state as the particular NIT. For example, BNIT Nagpur, which is the NIT of Maharashtra, will have lower cutoff for applicants who have the domicile of the state of Maharashtra. The same would apply for NIT of Gujarat, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, or any other state, as this is a standard practice followed by all NITs. There are 31 NITs in India as of 2024. Indian Institute of Information Technology, IIITs, or IIIT, are another series of government colleges. These are specialized research-intensive colleges focused on computer science and electronics degrees, and you will only find these two main engineering branches in these colleges. There are 26 IIITs as of 2024. Finally, we have the government-funded technical institutes, GFTI for short. These are 38 academic institutions that are funded by the government and participate in the JOSAA counselling process, so you can apply to these colleges directly. School of Planning and Architecture, the group of premier architecture and planning colleges of India, also fall under this category, and this is where you need to apply to get a premier bachelor degree architecture or planning. Some other premier colleges which are not involved in the JOSAA counselling process also accept JEE Main score as a criterion for admission. Indian Institute of Science, IISc Bangalore, a one-of-one college, is a globally acclaimed institute and one of the best research universities in the country. It is possible to gain admission to its prestigious 4-year Bachelor of Science degree through a JEE Main track. International Institute of Information Technology, IIIT, located in Hyderabad and Bangalore, and Indraprasth Institute of Information Technology, Delhi, also do not fall under the previously mentioned list of colleges and take admission independently with JEE Main rank and score as one of the possible ways to apply for admissions. Several other private colleges also take admission based on JEE Main and JEE Advanced rank. It is good to check the admission criteria for the college of your choice on their respective websites. Alternate exams in India. JEE is conducted as a national and international level exam by NTA, but every state conducts its own engineering entrance exams for admission into state-funded colleges. These include MHTCET, WBJEE, UPSEE, TNEA, and so on. Major private universities also conduct their own independent entrance examinations for admission into their programs. BITSAT for BITS, VITI for VIT, SRM-JEE for SRM, and MET for Manipal University are some of the popular private exams. If you found this video informative, please like and share it. If you want to watch more videos about educational opportunities, do subscribe to this channel.